Fully electric CNC press brake. SDC8OT to 500DA69T81 axis. Fully electric drive, more energy efficient and environmentally friendly. Holland Delum DOS 69T CNC controller. South Korea kick and foot switch. Movable front support. W-axis crowning system. Quick release clamping. Standard punch and V dies. France Schneider electric components. ESTU and Shiva motors and drives. Backward real axis. X, E, X, R, R, E, R, and Z, E, G, R. X1, X2 axis for front and back movement. R1, R2 axis for up and down movement. C1, Z2 axis for left and right movement. Controller support D, 3D simulated bending. '90-degree and 135-degree bending test. Thanks for watching.